Why does your scanner show the P0444 engine code? What does it mean? P0444 is a diagnostic trouble code for evaporative emission control, EVAP system, purge control, valve circuit open. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's computer, PCM or ECM, has detected an electrical issue with the purge valve or its circuit, preventing proper fuel vapor management. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty purge valve, wiring issues, ECM or PCM problems, EVAP system issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Chevrolet, and Mercedes-Benz vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.